Dash the latins get it to and get la people like also show any taring reading the Chewalang Sabache Ani Ta you the Kirangilo that yana you in Banyan the Kirangi la Shera Ani Kirangi detailed reading for December mantra Kirangi December Nala Kariga Chungu call detailed reading in la Shedi Ni Lotani Mashlu Mekajilana Nidum Perin Bucha Tudra Ani Kirangi detailed reading health relationship career love life Karila Netidu blessings and guidance Karikaridu on the call Samate the Kirangi Yendung the Lulech Mutini seal and share Tangbuta Nikotsugi di Indu Kirangi Lota Yu in Bana Kirangi timestamp in your description and Sha Yu Lan Shen Touch the later lot so on Kirangi December month candidu do the color reading in a share ta energy in the current energy candidu on the chain and Kirangi upcoming energy candidu on the collecting gira current energy Kirangi okay current energy like this confusion to Midura and get a book at some matun shagira and the chain can relation to Shigera. The so got shuffle chigota nupio and forward chinity la shay and it you do some Nayakan Shashanti Ratik upcoming energy, okay? Ani can I do health? Okay, health, nice. Ani can I get you do relationship? Okay, nice, wonderful. Ani can I get relationship and career? Wow. Hang sign combination yakulidura. Okay, ani can I get you do simbachi and the chini? Animal guidance ki karili dura kirala animal guidance ki tala amadil spirit set healthy boundaries so like the lead, okay? Frog spirit clear up the clutter, okay? On the lead dura yeah takina yichi do reading the current energy nikozura your current energy looks like you are having some thoughts, confusion, lots of thoughts, overthinking, or having some problems around your eye. This can also happen, or around your brain, like foggy, you're not able to thinking properly, clearly. On the tungu to the gratis mind, some lota like this caleti do it some right and in Syria and Kaji to make like a nitty or the day in Syria. Yana can get overthinking that lots of thoughts, overthinking chigo. Yana can get lamganit and the your chain can detach you go much confusion, the career chola relationship chola karim by the then it was current energy can get it was Tangudra. Kashi intuition power, the Ratatai chakra, then so come Pariagi Shukchimbu Bachigo, then they ingiri, okay, and they insert there. Energy mampuch to current energy, so tada the Any upcoming energy, okay, heartbroken. Can I get heartbroken to feel chair, betrayed to feel chair, you make your sadness if you're feeling betrayed, heartbroken, sadness, feeling depressed, whatever you're feeling. The upcoming energy is like lots of healing is coming towards you, okay? Can I rock then the kanyi similar like you make your chunga? Then they similar big you make your chung de you rather than similar the digma song some simple q de you make your chung and then the courage you are in it on the cholani can I get a healing. Lots of healing energy ra ta game induce similar sim take your nasa sim take your the wodi lutang to ya nupa ra healing power, healing energy is coming to you ra. This is your upcoming energy for the December month. Okay, on the lead on the lead in the Dukanagi, Tambo can get relationship with a relationship like Tambo can get this toxicity to Mati what Machu or Mati or Dukcha abusive than the chick Juma do Yapu Montoya do energy to the Yana can I get current energy in Gira, Yana can I get some negativity thoughts pay Mamboli Gira. Okay, now the can get health can okay, sorry. Health can I do can get mental health, emotional health, and physical health can I can get toxicity, and can I get toxic and consume chair so music rather than the chicks so the subul nigri la hago you consume chair junk food to don carriga so new rich consume shukchi shoria and can I get young addiction in the laneti so new addiction in the gana can shukchimbo. Karim by ni sirira porn addiction chaya to na ya mobile ta reels to ta din addiction phone addiction ra ta karim by addiction among bora on karim by ne kirangi addiction shimboji cha ta currently den cha gi duera kina addiction shimboji cha gi due ani tende chigne ma ani kirangi December month la kirangi doing to get our di na December na la kirangi doing to get the addiction sangma le ma doing to that sangma means kirangi live la karidura kashi mental addiction ingir samlo thoughts negativity shukchimboli dia ra kashi physical kangla yang so ingi se rikte de consume chinira addiction chaya de ingir kashi da mental gangla di thoughts time de lechi bu marta da nga jogi reels to da nyokta to da porn to da kharigar dukcha chik mangbu chik consume shukchimbo over consume chigyo ana di sama gi mental health kala problem chigyo ra problematic chagyo ra o dige kanyi khare yo an di sangma ne ma kyorangi kalaure kirangira dun to go December na kinana tinde khare do chikani yo ane kirangi tinima do whatever you have bad addictions you're coming out from that in December. Okay, in December month, this month is very good for your health, mental and physical health. Mental and physical health, you are going to come out from this kind of bad addictions and you are going to feel the light. Okay, feel the light. You are going to feel very good, wonderful, very good. Okay, 항상 약부중에 기우중에 딱히나 남균 addiction la this chat you are na kina December month la kina addiction dini ma duile to ya keshiyo dara kina addiction be giuchungyo na addiction gi chola mandune so giu len to ya nature nyamdo da phone nyamdo do so shukchi mutangyo na dishani ngone natural ra present la shukchi budia natural nyamdo do so bangpuki nature na la walk to it ndi isi la meditation chia ra mental gi chidu peace ra ani ana physical gi chidu dara health doing by the exercise chia activity chia ani physical ta sports and liara kinagi won't the chene super dara mental peace sem la shidi super cura won't the pe hangsan ya puchagyo tingidura kinagi courage kanye tiyo and de sangmani ma dun to kinagi December month la pe positive outcome la pe outcome ning chimoli dura negativity sama pangya and you are going to see the very positive side. Okay, you are going to spend some time with the nature and you're going to take some activities for your physical health and you're going to do a meditation for your mental health. Okay, it's going to see very good. You're going to see very good in your health. You're going to see the improvement in your health. Okay, this can be your mental or this can be your physical health. This can be both. Okay, relationship la kirangi luck pe open di kirangi relationship chola problem chi thi du kirangi ra o dege sangma neta December month la peche relationship ta hangsang positive ta kirangi kare to chi kare ta kare kanye thi yo ai ne re dada tanda ba to chi kanye to kare da kare chi imati ko to chungyo ai December gi month la ra kiran la hangsang positive thing du ra health chola ra hangsang positive mental health. Sorry, young health la the relationship in by antibachitagi. Chitan relationship ya potona health rang singida mental health is be happiness la dira nazo dan research kitunda. Misena la keep shu chung ya rasembe keep shu chung ya de karila na relationship kan ya poti to ngi dila ne ra. Kalore on the research you ring should on the on the pay relationship ya poyo na ni health pay positive theory la dira ani mental health positive ra happiness kala shukchi bu dewana physical rang shingira healthy ka shukchi ya diri la on the research ki twin sarta na dirang ra ti ndo ngeda tada kan health la twin much health the relationship pay shukchi bu tiwa yorta ti ndu ani tangi tada kinagi relationship ta the relationship hang sa positivity du ta kinai madu khare tongyo an changmal an kinan zora ta tanda ba to mati ko to chi chungu relationship la on dige sangma kinangira dar positive timing the lead kiran chola timing ya ga dira good time kiran chola support chi do December la di and kiran pay relationship chola satisfaction. Okay, kiran so single in the zola ra kiran gi life la de me inde so the life partner de ra kiran soul mate de kiran chola so yumya on de kandila na pe lucky me de ve lucky sham di me de kiran gi misana le yongani so kiran pe kyu chaya di me kiran tabu ina pomo ina bu on de ra so life na on de lia de to single in the zo chi ra already relationship now you need is only hang sign satisfaction positivity big cute action ra relationship positive suit to get it to ra kiranzo hang sign relationship ya putting to the relationship hang sign ya putting it okay 아니 리진이 기나기 집도 거리기들나 career 간라데 career 야 항상 약부터 기나기 치더라 디셈버 날람 침보지 기나라 opportunity 인데 리요라 기나라 지 고급도 망보도 실리요 된데 둥기더라 기나기 치도 고급비 망보라에 도지 기나기라 health 컬러 다 health 란리 디양 거니 sorry career kanlara kokape mangbodo opportunity mangbodo kiranchola su yungyo de tu opportunity mangboda project in mangbolia to the job offer and liya to the business offer and liya to the lo tu imba lo chong time the change offer liya de offer mangbo de lidra mangbo hangsa ya mangbo good opportunities lots of good opportunities are coming towards you in the December month in your career life right career side ani dikaps only kinagi opportunity you have to grab the best opportunity from this opportunity because you are seeing lots of opportunity and you are going to get overwhelmed maybe right kira opportunity ko mang bothong la ta khani simgo na sam chaga chige chasi ra di kina gida pe kang tuk tuk sab sab chini best opportunity this simyara on this simba na kina gi chidura success ra end of the December badal kina pe successful life thongi du da kina gira career kan la pe successful celebration ra tene thongi du kina gira 항상 positive celebration ra successful 원데 통도 인기나죠 engine number 텔레지 지기요나 11 engine number 통교와이나 안디 이 윤티와라 소소로고도 opportunity 엔틀리에기 라 딱스니야 둥교리 데 소소린토와이나 아니 그냥 원디가 best successful life 치르타는 그냥 best successful 차투야 디 차이라 그냥 good opportunity 그냥 고급 엔틀리와 되게 그냥 주토와 그냥 고급 되게야 치로니 리시리야 소소 마인드 리르타 thoughts and idea and 본드라 야나 치로니 뉴스 그냥 고급 job offer 엔데 치로니 레오라야 onde they do ani kira travel chikena yang overseas travel che onde de chini ko travel che yi ko le de easy na this kina celebration da celebrate che onde de the student in by ne kina zo yi kale ya po job study pe ya po che de la result pe positive to ya December na hansa ya positive result li to kina chi do okay onde in kina kale ya to result ya pe positive li to do ra kina ra kale ya to you're working very hard and you are seeing success okay so if you're a student you are studying very hard and then you're going to see the very positive results or if you are working or whatever you are going to see the lots of opportunities and then you have to grab the best opportunity and you are going to see the success in that opportunity that you have grabbed positive thongya on the thing and the animal spirit related frog spirit related clear out the clutter okay in kira get this chick mind la kashi chiru mental ingira kashi gi chiru yang nang de wala this chick chokpa chore chick yo ainara 되게 정말 쌍마 쓰고요 okay nang la this 정말 chokpa do shayo bera this chick yingpa chagyo ri to da this chick chalan zum madik ni de zum madik chick chore do shayo onde yo ana December month kang to 쌍마 sha고야 가주 쌍마 shawa ni diran ki shigyo ri na mind pe Korea country sangma shawa ne mind pe sangma de mind ka ju sangma de wa ne kina and the opportunity ja point lead you can grab chi to sing to ra that's why you have to clear out the clutters you have to be very you have to be keep very clean around you okay in December month and mental spirit leader second can guidance to set healthy boundaries okay boundaries this way le lead kira gi chidura tanya life na la di che chu me kina gi den lap chu me tinga kurgi me ti ina tigri la to da chigura da mixing relationship tang ani so ita relationship tang and so ida lega chesa den la so lega chesa den la boundaries this so ga chitik ko ra lega da so lega chigura da so ginke ko responsible only the care da sama dingala da extra responsible and tigyo ina so this boundaries tigera tang 얘기 치도 내가 담스레 아니 딜레 학생아 제 중에 제 두금인도 ngagi 담시 라시미 on this boundaries relationship 나라에 당아 담스 accept 치 딜레 학생 and the 나 accept 치미 레도 여러 다 boundaries okay set healthy boundaries like the healthy young over boundaries take 상만염 타린 부수시야 많이 받지 healthy boundaries suisra what the shade the can to guidance to the antigen guidance doing some antigen that can get the blessings ra December month more the most ra blessings kare to can get ra on the okay okay health chola blessings ani kirangi relationship chola blessings ani kirangi chi the career chola blessings. Okay, health chola blessings karili idulana tambo kirangi the toxicity ni mathuya ani pe positive side thong yala santi chini kirangi chi dura mental health kala tichira kirangi da but overthinking thoughts, lots of thoughts samlope mangpota mi da khoryo and ani December gi month dela kirangi tichira thoughts mental tichik peace kala shadu ya tichik organize chera mental tichik kyu shadu ya odi be mental peace kala blessings le du kirangi chidura mentally kiranta chik yora planning do mangpo tik thinking do mangpo pe che thoughts do mangpo pe le de cha odi mental peace kala blessings le dura peaceful shide de to ya sim shide. Okay, you're going to see the positive mind and you're going to see some positive and peaceful in your mind, okay, for the December as a blessings. One day you can get the blessings later if you are doing overthinking or over these things, okay, negativity thinking. And can I get you the relationship nala kare blessings later kaji chi the so the love life la changsa kya den de tung your rati blessings later changsa ki blessings den de in sigre can I get you the ani yana kaji chi the so the relationship nala blessings so mang che chi changsa ra blessings tung do kang shira blessings changsa yana so changsa yana so yi da ning yo de changsa yana so bugu de changsa den de ingirra on the changsa ga blessing shuk chimbu tung do kan zo chi dura so ning yo de so de changsa de karim bayne changsa shuk chimbu shi de so ke relationship chola le du yes ani di chin kirangi chido career kan la le dura career kan le di kirangi success thongsa ani di kirangi chido intuition power shuk chimbu le du di blessings de da blessings kare lan kana la chikta opportunity mangbo do chi le kirangi da kale do mangbo kya go chik sim go ya to chi yora good opportunity di any best opportunity di kiran grab che go di kap so kana la okay di kap so kana la ra kare la na your intuition powers are very high in December is a blessing, so okay, so that's why if you having lots of opportunity and some you have to make some decisions in December, then your intuition powers very high, so you can ask yourself and make the decision. Na kina intuition power de shuk chimbo yu so nanglo ni tak chu ya chimi pa chu shi ba la ke je ti mo che this ko nyok pos sui ma go che so nanglo ne gona answer sama so la ra ya ti blessings le du kina la da. Or you can say Jezun Doma Green Tara's blessings. Okay, you are having Green Tara's blessings in December, so you can pray to her. Ani kirangi Jezun Doma Changu. Kirangi Depache Nyembasaya ra Doma Saya ra Doma Ingak Saya Tendera kirangi Chitu Tendi Chung Chewa na Yakpudu Kinala successful chaya. Kirangi Lamduk Jugia la Jezun Doma Ipe Dokshuk Chimbunang Sari di Dukiran Jezun Doma la Chitani namgin deba shuk chimbu chi gyo ayana tadu keep continue ra deba chi dara kirana blessings pe apna ya. Okay, you are blessed by Green Tara or your any Tara, okay. And marriage as a blessing is coming for your relationship, okay. Your marriage, your not your parents, your child's marriage, your best friend's marriage, or this marriage can be anyone's who is very close to you, okay, or your own marriage as a blessings is coming for you for the December month, okay. Ani kina ichido reading tagamsi and kina lago message take being chemo chinera yu perewa yu detail kanglara ani kina gi nyendung de la katak channel la subscribe ra ani new de cheyong Tele you lot so ni kina gi chido December gi monthly reading detailed kangla indu kina relation indung de mutu ni see la share ani kina gi chido health, relationship, career ani kina gi chido blessings and guidance yang kare gare du ani ngonde de sangmata ra ani tangbo kina gi current energy tungira. Okay, current energy tijeni kina gi chido upcoming energy. Oh, nice. Wonderful. Ani kina gi chido health. Okay, heartbroken. And can I get you do lots of strength, healing? Nice. And can I get you do the health and relationship, ra? Okay, relationship. Okay. Taking some break in a relationship. And can I get you do career? Okay, career. I need to change the animal spirit ki guidance kariti do. Let's see the animals. Okay, set healthy boundaries. The tale dagra lisa kina le dagra lida set healthy boundaries lady. Ani kiran so current energy ni kusura dambo. Current energy can do to lana kina you have some idea, okay, to do something, to start something new ra. Kina gi sawa chi kusuya tene kala ra relationship sawa chi siri ana kina gi journey sawa karimba ni chik sawa chi ra study kana na sawa yana kina gi chik sawa chi yana kina gi chik sawa thoughts chi gi sarra the future the next year nga tene tene chi gi the study na the lupta na university to na tene nga lega na thila apply chi gi lai to da job na tela chi gi business na nga tele chi gi la chik idea thoughts to chi ra kina gi chi do sawa yakpo chi dura kina gi chi do hangsa yakpo positive thoughts chi do kina gi chi dura yana relationship chola kina sawa chi ko chuya da tende chi chego di chi chego initiate chera chi ko de ro chi dura upcoming energy la kina da rang da sawa chi do kina mind la ondi kina ra planning kala practical kala kile ondi ke shi dura whatever you have something in your mind, this is very good, okay, this is a very good idea. Whatever you have for your, this can be your career, this can be in your relationship, whatever you have, something very new, something new to begin, something very special thoughts you have in your mind, okay, whatever you have, something very beautiful, okay, so whatever you have, you're going to take action in that thought, okay. This is your upcoming energy and you're going to take action, you're making plannings to take action, okay. The thoughts the chick can such a chimbachilla ratharimbuchilla overseas tende to planning rat in the easy can the can thought you the only little to the rank and I get up on the planning chair goes good, okay, upcoming energy can get you the planning chair goes away. Whatever you have, right, you're taking action and you're planning to take action. This can be overseas, you're going to study in overseas or work in overseas, or you're going to start some business in another city, okay, on the day in city chikantra chik thak ning bula le kachia on the day do shira the day in city and the relationship ra long distance relationship the day go to ya the day in city ra chik thak ring butun gyor kantra upcoming energy on the day of the upcoming energy la December na la chungya on the do and set healthy boundaries the chidli use self healthy boundaries this is rakina kare to sawa ko zo ne dila de ne chungna thiri di chuna team la to the chigora so boundaries set chera on the healthy rape yapo that for example you're like business chi go to the business thing ge ta loni kali ke gi isra ani di cheni tandu yakko manto ina ani nga dile dan dunga tusumang putula tangi me la me the relationship na la ingire relationship business job kari ba ne the skill sawa chi changa to ne nga ti skill de la logic ni du tangi is dan du ni chi ready re min tangi si ba ne nga lingi ni mai ba na nga chi dile last du tula tangi me nga simba try chi la me da mo ten to da kina chi du kari ba ne skira ni mind kaji physical health kan la ingirtira kari ba ne so chariare ya ani kina chi du kari du ta da oni wanted to counter on the deeping to molestak energy pay and the region can to health can allow the can get this simple me go to overthinking chigio to similar this q me go this kanye this chigra similar problem to can get you have some mental health issue, right? You are facing some difficulties, having some sadness, you're feeling betrayed, or you're having lots of negative thoughts, right? You have lost someone recently, or this can be anything, okay. If you are having this kind of situation, right, and you are feeling very heavy in your heart, right, in your mind, right, then it will feel you have lost someone. And in December month like I get the kanye reach yo and this sangmala donglen chi to get strength new body can chola to you duran can send count to pay she this shot we are count to you shot so boy and count to strong shot we are one the new body can chola to you do that one the strongly, okay. The strength card is coming, so you are going to fight with that kind of heaviness from your mind, from your body, right? If you're having these kind of issues, you are going to deal with that in December, and you're going to feel better, feel peace. You're going to feel very strong in December, physically and mentally. This energy is coming for you very strongly, okay. major card di the best strongly energy li yor kiran chola sura kiran ge heal je tu yara ani healthy de tu yara pe positive de tu yara ani shide sugum laira sugum shuk chimbol li tu ya kiran wonti tungi dura December gi month health chola kiran ge relationship chola ga li relationship chola ti kiran ge true at then the chung misunderstanding miscommunication then the chung you are having some miscommunication or misunderstanding in your relationship. This kind of energy is here for your current energy. So that the this misunderstanding do chawa this lo matunya do ra kirangi relationship na lo matunya wonde do shtuin lo matunya chunya kecha this madiyara communication this madiya wonde do the relationship la so ta sunyam do ra shane degree so tan da sunyam do ndi chungsra so sasang na la rebe so pama pinching yam chungswe ra so bu nyam do chungswe ra so corona chungswe topu thumo na chungswe khari ba ne wonde do ti chigra miscommunicate shadow da ti ndo kang tuk tuk kirangi kecha den so khari shewa ne ti sab share kang tuk tuk miscommunicate ma chunya ra understanding to kiran ni parola machungya wonde ne kanto to sab chine ya podo this kaji ji chi jung chawa to du dira energy kaji ji chi chungyu imba na ni ti machungya na so igro tang thugu ri la nira tero reading di dirang chungya kacha gyari katu shing marra katu ne tende ji jung sir ta sab chi la du kiran ge awareness li sabda le sa ne kiran la gywa di kiran ge tang thugu ri la gyora ondi indu ni tero di tangbung ni ta December maling ni December ge reading taya to dang chik na zo ondi tadikra tangoni tadiko odi re ta tero di kiran zo misunderstanding de chung me ta that miscommunication to chung me wa ina pyak por kiran da moni sab chela no ri tungi ora ani kiran ge chirta ni ra December ge month le kiran ge ra shita relationship chola shita action and ge lingi mindo Lulu dene tag rings dene gyang ring ne kyun kharidu yunden kharidu chik kuran lulu dene taya chime kenangi examine che chira unde de tungi sorry unde de chik December la kenangi lulu dene ra ta ni reflect che chime self reflecting. In December month, you are not taking any action. You are just self-reflecting about your relationship. Okay, what you have made, what you have said, what you have made a mistake in the past, or you are learning from the past, and what you are going to do in the future. You are just making plannings and looking to your partner and to your relationship, your family members. The close ones, you are just sitting back, relaxed, and enjoying the view. Okay, whatever they are doing, they are taking action. You are just relaxed in December. You are not taking any actions on it. Action to get lewa shida thungumi do kiran lule de ne ta dewa to kandechi do ta de do chira samlo do thang ani ngoma gita no to show you nan tin kari changu du la to da ni future la kare apply chow du la to do de de do chi thung du ra kirangi December energy on de do chi thung du ni endorish mixing de ge shida chungya de ge yungya to do ge thunggi min do ke kirangi chi do de do chi tu ani career cholle ora dang career cholla le kirangi karidula na kirala plannings ideas te pe mangu du da current energy le da randu ni planning kirangi chik du da ngati chik yora planning to da chik idea mangbo do chik kirala legi o do thong du onde era ani kirangi ta khandi idea yapudu kharichena yapudu future ina khari cholla yapudu le do da chik yora ani nga kharichena ani ngarangi chidu da so lo se la papinga kharichena best redu le do da so ichidura samlo mangbo tangi yo sechu chi yo takche chi yo ra you're having lots of ideas, lots of thought, but still you're analyzing which one is the best for me, for my future. You're looking, okay, you're looking, analyzing ra on the day to gidura kirangi chido ni December month lan kirangi odi kala action lingido. Okay, whatever you have planned, you are taking action in December towards that your passion. This can be your any passion, this can be a business, a study, skill, this can be anything. You're doing something, you're taking action, and you're going slowly towards your goal, right? Action in kalega likirangi tam duba yugo so migul du saditsala kalega de toya ra wonde le tungi du kirangi chido. Okay, on the lidu career cholara. Okay, ni kina chido reading the tended shanti into animal spirit set healthy boundaries lesson ko the spirit ki kare trust in divine ditor. Okay, trust in divine ki kana dusu chiktiri and the indu kana divine ki timing de la ichi shala de lidu ra kina chidura. On the ichi kana relationship chola did not think okay, the right time the right people will come in my life. Okay, that's why you are just sitting relaxedly in December. So this guidance is also seeing that trust in the divine tutors. Divine get up timing to the divine gikuna dusuchi or out the lazy che like the leader and the kuna da ichi chain ra name it's an antique yapu chungo edi kunangro dusula papa tata chung to race gamixi action and then the lindu mindu like ya on this relationship cholarida lulu de achime on the day of sitting the energy ra December na energy relationship chola on the day of sitting do I can get you the blessings ra blessings can get you December month la blessings for you. Blessings in your health. Okay, nice. Health kind of blessings. Hang say ya for lead the can get you the any relationship chola ni can get you the blessings can lead. Wow, manifesting. Hang say ya for lead. And can get you the career, get you the blessings can lead. Your career blessings. Okay, blessings and dirang rish. Upcoming energy dirang tiusra blessings and dirang rish. The upcoming energy can get you karilesu to wants lesson. Dagaram blessings less karilesu to wants leader. The can get you the future planning pay positively chair, yana travel chair, overseas chair. Then they can get you planning chick the one is some fulfill chaya can allocat leader. And they can get you the blessings to the your travel chair trip and land in easy and can I get you the health chola blessings carry king of pentacles leader at the end you can get fruitful result can I get health can that is six sim like carry which you are in can pay strong child the rap a strong child with the end you're going to feel very fulfilled energetic fulfilled. Still you are feeling very down to earth, simplicity. Still you are feeling very authority, strong contrast. Okay, so you're going to feel very good towards your health in December month as a blessing. So okay, you're going to feel very fulfilled. Whatever you have worked for, you are seeing the result, and you're going to feel very fulfilled about your health. As a blessing, can get pay fulfilled to bakaya to bassinya tang health kaligally simba in a pay you chagidura kaligally mental like she they sim line a pay she do mind line a pay she lead so when it is the tang chagidu so base satisfaction chaya only blessings that can do a relationship na karili do la manifestor you are strong manifestor right can I get relationship chola can I get the mix a game match in a really day did you can get a best of the best relationship can I get manifest she do la shera kira single in painere kira relationship lang already you are in a kira give ta pajo kira partner life partner the best na kala or personality di matun to ya kira gira ta mile the best tang vos nika yo para din the kira best side of your partners personalities you can take out kirangi the kachina kirangi manifest you the lulu day kirangi manifest you you're just sitting relax and you're just manifesting okay the best partner for your life on the manifest you can I get the current partner you are in a can I the misunderstanding those charging took the you are in a can I get on the pay positive sweet wood can I run this sweet wood the can I new but the leader sweet yet can I run the karila in a can I get a shade manipulate in a good way okay not in a bad way you're going to manipulate your partner your relationships and your surroundings are going to feel very happy about you can tell them whatever you want and still they are going to feel very good about you very positive as a blessings okay and can I get you the career nalan they can get that idea thoughts career and the action lingi do la issue sound the connection and can I get the action shuk chimbol niya blessings like the mix travel and the shuk chimbol there's some travel trip for you as a blessings in December or you're making some plannings to go overseas for the walk or for anything okay these kind of blessings is coming for you and the can I get you the reading terms can I get you reading the one that can I get you so so la goya message de paying chimo len kyo chin len ye pere wa ye la shen December month ki rang chi da hang sang ya po positive thong dra ni so da rang ki chungya kina la blessings te pe ya po chin chungya guidance te pe ya po chin ra kina gi len tu ya the blessings te kina gi hang sang ya po receive che to ya de sama ye mela mi ani kina gi nyindung te la katak channel la subscribe okay ani ngi de che